Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on a calculator. First, we will cover the specific calculator models that can handle this classic game. Then, we'll identify all the essential software and hardware you will need. Next, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of installing the game. Finally, we will discuss the unique gameplay experience and any limitations you might encounter. To begin, you will need a compatible graphing calculator, such as a TI-84 Plus CE or a Casio FXC G50. You also require a computer with internet access to download the necessary software. Don't forget your calculator's USB data cable. It is crucial for connecting your device to the computer. Essential software includes TI Connect CE for Texas Instruments calculators and a program like Mirage OS or NDLS to run the game files. Once you have your tools, install the calculator connectivity software, such as TI Connect CE, on your computer. Next, download the Doom game files, often in formats like 8XP or TNS, along with any required loader applications. Connect your calculator to your computer using the USB cable. Then, simply drag and drop these downloaded files directly onto your calculator's storage. This process usually takes only a few minutes to complete. After installation, launch the game through your calculator's application menu. Be aware that this is often a simplified version, primarily a three-dimensional user interface, not the full original Doom. Expect slower performance and basic graphics, as calculators like the TI-83 Plus have a 6 MHz microprocessor. Controls are adapted to the keypad, offering a unique but restricted gameplay experience without sound. It's a fun technical achievement, despite its limitations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.